Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, we're going to talk about how to fix that Marvel Rivals error code 5 failed to connect your Steam logins. Well, for this one to work, we're going to talk about Steam first. Let me just open it up. In here, we're just going to use a game as a reference since I really don't have Marvel Rivals. However, the process is perfectly the same. So for this one to work, you just have to click on Marvel Rivals, right click here, go to Properties, click on Installed Files right there, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. So what it does is basically check for any corrupted files inside the game, and Steam will fix it for you. That's step 1. Now this is going to be step 2. On the Windows key right here, type in the command prompt, which is going to be this one. And in here, type in this exact codes. As order, one by one, type in ipconfig release, iconfig flush DNS, let me just zoom it in, ipconfig renew, and then ipconfig, which is going to be net-ish, this one right here, and this one right here for the last one. So do not type them all together, just one at a time. For example, if I type in this one, like there, click on enter, and then for the next one should be this one right here, flush DNS, like so, and so on and so forth. Wait for them to reply, and then input them one by one. After that one, I'm sure that your problem will be fixed. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.